Is your DirecTV Genie remote not responding? Don't worry. Most remote issues can be resolved quickly with these simple initial checks. First, check your remote's batteries. Press any button on your remote and observe the light. A solid green light indicates good battery life. A blinking green light means they're getting low and should be replaced soon. And no light at all means the batteries are completely dead. Next, ensure there's a clear line of sight between your remote and the receiver. The Genie remote uses light signals to communicate, so remove any objects that might be blocking the path between them. Make sure your TV is set to the correct input for your DirecTV receiver. This is usually HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. You can access your TV's source menu by pressing and holding the Enter button on your remote for 3 seconds. If you're using a universal remote, make sure the mode switch at the top is set to DirecTV, not TV or another device. This ensures the remote is sending signals to the correct equipment. These 4 simple initial checks solve most DirecTV Genie remote problems. Try these steps first before moving on to more advanced troubleshooting methods. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Genie remote issues, it's time for advanced solutions. We'll cover resetting and pairing your remote to restore full functionality. First, let's reset your Genie remote. Point the remote directly at your Genie device, then press and hold both the mute and enter buttons simultaneously until the green light blinks twice. For universal remotes, the reset process is different. Press and hold mute and select until the light flashes 3 times, then press 9, 8, 1, and select to complete the reset. Next, let's pair your remote with the Genie device. Point the remote at your Genie box and press and hold mute and enter simultaneously. The screen will display applying IR/RF setup when successful. There's also an alternative pairing method through your TV menu. Press Menu on your remote, then navigate to Settings and Help, Settings, Remote Control, and Program Remote. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete pairing. If remote issues persist, try resetting your DirecTV receiver. Locate the red Reset button on the side or inside the access card door and press it, or simply unplug the receiver for 15 seconds and plug it back in. If all troubleshooting steps fail to resolve the issue, it's time to contact DirecTV support for professional assistance or consider replacing your remote with a new one.